misplaced priorities, and all. Naa Toshie says that Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia was brought in specifically to work on the exchange rate, and Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia failed in this, and this is shown by
Jolof.
Naa Toshie die. Oh no. Na me mpese nka yede mede masem be kɔ no so saa because no Kennedy na edi kan ka kire ne se ni pie to kakrakadada. Ba ma me dem se wo mu no ho still na wo pese ni pato to bi mane na ansa na ne ho ato. Because ne nsɛm a wogina hɔ a wɔkeka maka kyerɛ wo hwɛ obi a wodi Kennedy akyi sɛ saa maame wei ade a da screen yi so nne yi wotimi ka saa asɛm ne de kyerɛ yɛn MPP foɔ sɛ ɔboa NDC ni bi because ɔyɛ nadamfo ɔyɛ ɔbaa wɔ abra na yɛn MPP yɛ candidate wɔ hɔ a it tells you nipa ko a saa nkurɔfoɔ no ɔmo yɛ nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo adwen nyinaa ne sɛ ɔmo be destroy the MPP ɛno nti na ɔmo wɔ hɔ. Because see as it stands now, nobody can tell me say Kennedy a compare Agyapong or president didn't know what you say. Because he or no akasa would very well say he doesn't come close to anywhere presidency. No one we cocaine economy ho. Ntinya di ono no pebie die na mum no. Why am having say what best say ye party MPP net din sem hunu wum enunti no yes ade na wo ye no ama mi wei a wo no napo asante mamu okura wakwa wotimi ekwane nam ho na ye menwanwa wo bia napo ye yi napo wa ma napo ho anto ne da ne bu afu Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne MPP nyina wo keka nsem huni ene se ye yi asante ni napo no no aso na num asem se asantefo ente borofo ene ye yi napo so ye yi doctor mu a wote borofo na nipa we akeka nsem hunu akira asantefo ne wo gyina asantemam ese toto ayampia wo pese nipa ni nachi ne mo ye nsem man Naa Toshie de yewre mfi ne kura ye ne wo ha ye nim Naa Toshie abra ansa na MPP beba abam 2016 no obolo tripa oba tuntum obolo tria ne mfunu nyina hyehye te se oba awo foforo fefefe kama ye ba ya ye pay position man no di sikadwan kotana taki ekoye ne tukotwitwa ne yem nti ofi se ono ano no betima be ye nim no ono wo ye a ne ho nya akono nya se ye nim no politics mu se wo ye nipa papa bia na wo ye nipa bia wodi mu soronko Naa Toshie we Teki ni ba wonu broni ba na no chen de se wonu timi kura mic na broni ba so onka se mu speak em e chen ni bibia ya artificial na nado danko akufu ado ema no appointment okọ ho na se asori koda nyame ase na ado danko akufu ado no ni flatom na se wunya politician na wotimi ka se montoma candidate bi because o flatom ya adwen bone adwen na woni tirim na ene se woni adwen bia woni tirim o kasa rough kasa obekasa bia nyanse ni mfaso ni so ena ode kasa kira amanfo weenum so omu ye nipa weenum se omu ye nipa from politician omu pese ye nto aba emfa ma omu achitafo message omu de kono eno ne de ehi se Naa Toshie amu no ho so oyoba na obekasa yie na se wantimi afa respect anye campaign no se otisi anwea ni mu dia ha de hanye wotisi mu a yeso ye bet yes in so pa because Naa Toshie wo mo mapo we die ye wo bi we fie mo mapo we ye wo bi we fie ade a me ni bi wo me fie ane BBL no eno na me ni bi wo me fie e na me ma wo ntena entoto ayampia emfa mreyen na wo ne nam asante mu amu mfa ho ni eni di asantefo atem na mfa ho ni ene mo campaign ato so ba bia mbekọ bi obi amfi mu asante mu a wo nam yi obi ebo tutu ye mfi eno na ha wa ma wo hu de onya na bantema na mo nam a mo se bantema ye mo dia ekura no ma confused because ene yi so ne mo ko ho Brian ene mo ko ho ya so ya twimu bebre de edeko entimu ama ye confused mu hu ne mo nka entimu hu se ha de asamira dru he wo se mutum na esi a campaign na ye no makoya ne tise bibi etise mo amutimi throw shots mo amoye campaign mo agaza mo di ani mo no mutimi throw shots ke cancel hu na obi be ka bi kire mo amose ya Dr. Bawumia chitafo patem Dr. Bawumia chitafo ayese na so de mo ka no tan amuhia se nipa mamumu aye ye mamumu aye na afa mo de adani sun ene nsem hu no edi di kire nipa na ye nso so ye wo ho ye twem mo de mo be ka biara ebe mamumu aye na Naa Toshie no warning na mo send fama no so wo pese wo oti ni suo de a ye to aba ne wie kura se wo beti ni suo ye be di ne hu dwuma ama wo beti ni suo akosi se owiase be say because they say no ye hu se kwa me A+ Kennedy bua no ono nso so ebua NDC ni ema ono nso bewe ni seat enti woni na was na atoshi woni Kennedy no yefunu kroma mo bua yen opponent ema wo mo eba be di ebe wini aba no wa bra yen yete ho ye candidate to adufuru penny selfish interest nti eno nti na me catch delegate bia masema me kan yiti awane se Kennedy de mo ma no kwan ma ne ben yina ben sa abato ya ye kwotu ikro ben Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumi obedi first na ye party say ye nkwala na mo party ni mu no ne ya hye o mo ma o ya anseti good president anto ha ma nkwala no se wo obi epe position ni eto abama na twitwa ne ntini no mfeli na bra ne entoma se yempene sa ne pese nchirimani hunu se party na ye chichire na ye discipline ye de chichire party no eye commitment eye se ubesum party asum ne ye na party betu awka ye yi nipa na se de etie bia wo se munyina mo kabom na mo boa nipa na wa ho fa kwan abefa so ababoa nipa na da che be ma wonso ya to aba ama na be ma party na consider wo so for position bia na wo se ye yi Kennedy a watwitwa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumi anantini na watwitwa parliamentarians bebre nantini ama na yaye mobo se de yaye ama ye party de na aka every Kennedy akompre kwa Agyapong ye ma no kwan kra ma ne mmemme se ka me kwanka 10% kra ense se wonya se de obehu se delegate na punish no na nkwala ne mabunu na wo party no ebehu se party ni se wudi na ni di bone a party ni so twenwaso asotwen bone na wo so party kwan paso a party ni yiwaye emfa ho ne dibre wo tirim party ni nya yi wo yonko afa wakoma nyina ata na chi vi se yo sono no na wo ta na chi se wo yi nipa no ma wo yi wo sono na ma enye nipa no nko a e wo se party ni kabom ni etimi twe sa nkrofo we yaso se de be ensem da ho e de ama nchirima ense se yesoso we so se yesoso so de a ye party no de ekoi ye betimi a solve issue yi e bedru mre bi de chen se be se abamu a ahwe ya ne yentimi ansolve e wo se ye twe na so ne ye twe o maso ye pa because Naa Toshie ye de kwa me plus e kan ye bi woni Kennedy kan bomu ye de a e wo se party ne twe o maso pa Kennedy ne se wo pe president ama Naa Toshie so wo pe vice obi omo no e de ye party strategies ne ye party ekwe ye be fa so ye be we ni aba akọbua nkrofo ama omo no awe ni atia yen no ense se yesoso omo so.
She has not seen the fact that I am able to create a commercial bank, Ghana commercial bank account within 1 minute on my phone. And if you think I'm lying, you can also try it right now. Just download the commercial bank app. All you need is your Ghana card number. They themselves will show you all your details and create an account for you, a workable account. And you can even access virtual cards, a virtual Visa card, to buy things online. All within 2 minutes. You can do all this within 2 minutes. All because of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi. Naa Toshie wants to tell you and I that when Kotoko and House of Oak were playing during the President's Cup, and they said for the first time, let us use e-ticketing. Until today, that has been the highest day in terms of revenue mobilization for any single football match in Ghana. Till date. Till date. All those things inspired by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi. Naa Toshie is telling us that this gyimifuɔ, this is their meter whatever, a remote. This is what I'm showing you. gyimifuɔ meter remote ni. Now you can buy credit, ECG prepaid credit on your phone. They give you a code. You just have to type the code here. You don't have to even go to the meter. You sit in your room, you type the code, and pim, it reflects on your meter. Was that thing there under John Mahama? Was it there under John Mahama? In fact, even with the ECG app, you can buy credit on credit. You can buy credit on credit. You understand what it means? You can buy and pay later. All these things because of the digitalization drive of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi. And Naa Toshie is saying that Dr. Bawumi has failed because dollar was 14 cedis. No, 17 cedis, as she said. Shame on to you. And sometimes when I see this woman, I told you the other time, And I ask myself, what has happened to this woman? Because I always remember the things she told us when she came to Volta region. How she praised Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. This was just 2023. The way she praised Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The way she spoke nicely about the policy of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And Dr. Bawumia was not even there for me to say that, oh, because the man was there, that's why she was saying those things. So, no. So this is somebody who genuinely, deep in her heart, believes in the man, believes that Dr. Bawumia is the best person for Ghana. But what has changed now? What has changed is because individual selfishness. That is what has changed. Selfishness. You want to become running mate. But you don't understand that everything happened in its old time. Honorable Agyapong has been speaking. Finally, you can start sending your requests. Let me pick you. Honorable Agyapong has been speaking. Let's listen to what he has for us. Honorable Agyapong.
There is no man here stronger than Agyapong. And this is the first time I'm going to prove to them. If they are men, let them try 31st January and they will see what will happen. Make a mistake. When we have mistake, 31st January, when they use a memo of Ghana, let them try 31st January and they will see what will happen. Chogoy, my edi, and a Korean and my edi, but me a Kosovo Takahan, Minimunina, when we are let them try it and they will see what will happen. 31st January.
Last time.
There is no man here stronger than Agyapong. And this is the first time I'm going to prove to them. If they are men, let them try 31st January and they will see what will happen. Make a mistake. When we have mistake, 31st January, when they use a memo of Ghana, let them try 31st January and they will see what will happen. Chogoy, my edi, and a Korean and my edi, but me a Kosovo Takahan, Minimunina, when we are let them try it and they will see what will happen. 31st January.
Ebushanfo, you can send your request. That is Honorable Agyapong campaigning in Takwa. You see, sometimes it is hard to comment on these things. I don't know if it's only me. You hear this man talk, and it's like the party belongs to him. Yes, so sometimes I even ask myself, saying, the MPP, did anyone hand over MPP to Agyapong? If someone did that, let us know. Honorable Agyapong is always threatening, always briefing threats, one threat after the other. If they try it, what can you do, Honorable? What is the worst thing you can do? That you will not let us think. Every day, if they try it. The same thing you did 2023 with your showdown statement. When you receive a report, you didn't even cross-check. You receive a report you didn't even verify. And you spoke anyhow, live on TV. It became an issue. It was part of NDC's campaign against us. They played those tapes. And now you go to Takwa to campaign, and you are even saying worse. And when he says some of these things there, nobody in the party can call him to order. And nobody is a more a man than Onukele Japan. What? Boss, it's kind of whoa. It is money that you have. As for money there, we know you have it. But even with all the money that you had, when we were going to delegates conference, Dr. Baumia helped the party more than you did. Yeah. With all the monies that you, honorable, you think you have, we are told that before you joined campaign last year, Dr. Brian Agyapong had to wire you 5 million Ghana cedis. So, please, just stop the threats as though we should hand over the whole country to you. Banuba Kedet saying, how are you, my brother?
Yes, the voice. I'm doing very well.
Yeah, please speak up small.
Yes, let me say a big thank you to you for giving me the opportunity. And once again, let me say thank you to your cherished viewers.
You're welcome. Your voice is still down.
Oh, so it's okay now.
Yeah, it's better.
All right. You've tabled a lot of topics, but my influence area has to do with the Honorable Kennedy of Agyapong.
Yeah, you have 5 minutes to do that.
All right, thank you very much. Look, Kennedy from day one, I used to admire him from afar, but prior to the 2024 election till now, he has been a thorn on the flesh of the new patriotic party. Yes, I know many will disagree with me on this, but that is the reality. We've seen the kind of messages, the kind of politics that his team is doing on this space, especially on TikTok, on Facebook, and some other media spaces. Yes. I monitor a few, or should I say a good number of them, like Jennifer, and I am sure the team cannot say they can't distance themselves from this lady. She has been like one of the animals that are within the NPP, or should I say the NPP hierarchy allowed the lady to go all around, make all manner of, dirty politics, to an extent that if you are a sympathizer of the NPP, you will be so embarrassed to associate yourself with this person. These are people that are like the party have, or the team can have recruited into the party, and they are now campaigning more like anti-rebels in the party. Look, the NPP or some other people may think that, or sympathizers of Ken may think that they are doing a great work, by coming or by winning or by using strategies, their dirty strategies to win power. But forgetting that even after winning, these dirty messages will continue to hand down the new patriotic party. I listened to Naa Toshie a few days ago and I was so embarrassed. I was feeling so shy to even associate myself to the new patriotic party. Simply because, look, we cannot be campaigning, or we cannot, be attacking the NDC where our own intels are also attacking us back. It is high time the new patriotic party understand that some of these ill characters should be brought to book, or should be brought in order. We cannot continue having such animals within the new patriotic party. You cannot say that the new patriotic party did not perform when it comes to the dollar. We did very well by at least managing it or handing over it at a rate of 14 Ghana cedis. So when you are here trying to pin down the whole new patriotic party down, that is so sad. And I don't always blame such characters, but rather I blame the party hierarchy. Yes, the national executives are indeed not working. They are not doing anything, in my own opinion.
And they are seeking for re-election too.
Look, in this election, I'm not speaking just because I have Bomia on my profile. No, I am speaking as an MPP. Majority of these people have to, we have to show them the way. They cannot continue to exist as party national executives. You have party guys who are more like rebels, who are anti-rebels. We have parties within the New Patriotic Party, and they look. I just few minutes ago I watched Jennifer post on where he was tagging the regional minister, something regional minister. Look, go and watch the post. You will be feeling the heat as a sympathizer of New Patriotic Party. You understand? And such people, the national executives are just monitoring them, and they are misbehaving all over. Simply because they feel that their candidate is a threat to the entire party. Why? When did we get here as a party? We don't need this. Fine. You are campaigning for your candidate. Make it so clean. Nobody in this party can say the New Patriotic Party or the Team Bomia, Brian and the others are rebels, are campaigning against the party. Nobody can mention it. Kennedy team is just a turn on the New Patriotic Party, not only on Bomia aspect, but the party as a whole. It is high time the party react, or they should expect to leave their position after the whole thing. Let me not just conclude on that. But lastly,